That gas station trip you made yesterday, it might have just taken 10,000 miles off your engine's life. I'm about to show you 7 gas station habits that are slowly destroying your car. And number 5 is something 90% of drivers do every single fill-up. Welcome back to JourneyAuto. If you've watched my other videos, you know I don't sugarcoat things. Today, we're exposing the gas station mistakes that mechanics see causing thousands of dollars in damage, and most drivers have no idea they're doing them. Let's get into it. Habit number 1, topping off after the pump clicks. Here's what's happening. That click isn't random. Your car's evap system has a vapor recovery system. And when you force extra fuel in, you're pushing liquid gasoline into a system designed for vapor. This damages your charcoal canister, which can cost $200 to $400 to replace. Even worse, it can trigger your check engine light and actually cause your car to fail emissions testing. The fix is simple. When it clicks, stop. Those extra few cents aren't worth hundreds in repairs. Habit number 2 might surprise you. See that big tanker filling up the station's underground tanks? Drive away. Here's why. When new fuel pours in, it stirs up years of sediment, rust particles, and water that's settled at the bottom of those massive underground tanks. If you fill up right then, all that contaminated fuel goes straight into your tank. I covered contaminated fuel in another video. It can destroy fuel injectors, clog filters, and cause misfires. Wait at least an hour after the tanker leaves, or better yet, come back the next day. Habit number 3, riding on empty. I get it, gas is expensive, but here's what you don't see. Your fuel pump sits inside your gas tank, and it's cooled by the fuel surrounding it. When you constantly run near empty, that pump overheats. We're talking about a pump that costs $500 to $800 to replace. Plus, all the debris in your tank, it settles at the bottom. Running on empty means you're sucking that directly into your fuel system. Rule of thumb, never let your tank drop below a quarter. Your fuel pump will thank you. All right, quick check-in. Have you done any of these? Be honest in the comments. No judgment, we've all made these mistakes. Now let's talk about the one that makes mechanics cringe. Habit number 4 is using the wrong octane. Now, there's a myth here I need to bust. Premium gas is not better for every car. If your manual says 87, using 93 is literally burning money. Your engine can't use that extra octane rating. But here's the real problem. If your car requires premium and you use regular, you're causing pre-ignition knock that damages pistons and valves over time. Check your gas cap or owner's manual. It'll say premium required or premium recommended. Don't cheat. Recommended means regular is fine in a pinch. Habit number 5, and yes, 90% of you are doing this right now, using your phone while pumping gas. Now, the fire risk is actually lower than people think, but here's the real issue. You're distracted. You miss the pump clicking. You don't notice fuel dripping. I've seen people drive away with the nozzle still in their car. More importantly, you miss signs of problems. Strange smells, fuel spraying incorrectly, or someone approaching your vehicle. Put the phone away for 3 minutes. Your Instagram can wait. Habit number 6 is so simple but causes so many problems. Not properly tightening your gas cap. A loose cap lets fuel vapors escape, triggering your check engine light. I can't tell you how many people pay $100 for a diagnostic just to find out they needed to click their gas cap 3 more times. After every fill-up, tighten until you hear at least 3 clicks. And if your cap is cracked or the rubber seal is worn, replace it. They're like $15 and save you from failed emissions and wasted fuel. Final habit, and this one can actually cause a fire. Getting in and out of your car while pumping. When you slide across your seat, you build up static electricity. If you touch the pump nozzle before discharging that static, you can create a spark right at the fuel vapors. It's rare, but it happens. You can find the videos online. They're terrifying. If you must get back in your car, touch the metal door frame before touching the pump again. Discharge that static somewhere safe. Let's recap the 7 gas station killers. Topping off after the click, filling up when the tanker's there, running your tank empty, using the wrong octane, phone distractions, loose gas cap, and static electricity risks. Which of these have you been doing? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this saved you from a costly repair, smash that subscribe button.
I post videos every week helping you avoid expensive car mistakes. And if you want more engine-saving tips, watch this video next where I covered the cold start mistakes that got 119,000 of you watching. I'll see you there.